got to go. It's time to grow. Through obstacles, round and around we go. Don't even worry about it. Don't get so downhearted. Life is sunny and cloudy. Round and around we go. Giving up's not an option. So come on and climb this mountain with me. With all of your friends surrounding, we have found that life's worth living again.
And this one, the diff nut is loose, so hold on, we gotta fix that. Al very much not like me. I grabbed the right wrench the first time. It feels tight though. I'm super sad this one is broken. Something's wrong with the diff and I wanted to play with it. So I'm glad I didn't go to the beach just now. I would have been really sad. I thought it was the screw, but it's not.
We got to go. It's time to grow. Through obstacles, round and around we go. Don't even worry about it. Don't get so downhearted. Life is sunny and cloudy. Round and around we go. We got to go. It's time to grow. Through obstacles, round and around we go. Don't even worry about it. Don't get so downhearted. Life is sunny and cloudy. Round and around we go. Yeah. When life is getting tough.
Okay, go to take the battery out of this truck, which we broke. Go to put it in this truck, and it's broken. Look at the little battery connector. Oh, let's solder that up real quick. Oh, this is supposed to be part 2 to my, you wanted me to make RC car videos. This will be part 2. I'm enjoying my little Macan. We're gonna go down to the beach for this section of the video and bring out the Tamiya CC-01 crawler. Even though it's modified for high speed, it can crawl, it does the beach, it's got the locked rear diff, it's all good. This is me reminding you, especially those who've been watching the channel a while, wash your car, drive your car, get out, unplug from the screen, more outdoor time. Yeah.
Stupid joke, right? You guys are funny. You guys crack me up.
On your way to the North Shore. If I could only find that song, I would play it.
Come along, take a ride to the Owl's north side, the winding ironwood tree. But be sure to take care no one follows you there as you're drifting along on the breeze. For if anyone knew where I'm taking you to, they'd surely never depart. Magical coast that I love the most, nearest and dearest my heart, my oh me oh. Take me down to the North Shore, where the white sand rolls in the pounding surf. Yeah, why don't we go way on out to that North Shore, where the sky.
That's how you know it's going to be a good day. Old uncle sitting in a chair playing songs on the ukulele under a tree. Probably can't hear him because the birds are so loud.
When the ocean is too nearest to heaven on earth.
For the Aaron.
the top of the hill, the surf's breaking still. My nerves gently stop to unwind. Every mile that I drive brings me closer to where I've always known it should be. Not a big city, but the sugar cane's pretty. My beautiful home by the sea. My Romeo, take me down to the North Shore, where the white sand rolls.
Which one? Porsche or Ferrari?
That's cute.
I'm gonna have to start making RC car repair videos. I've tried to make some before, but I just hate the way the content turns out. So I'll try and put more focus into it. And I need to make part 2 of the drift cars because I want to get that yellow one fixed. I don't know what's wrong with it. I'm pretty sure it's something that people would want to learn about because I think the speed control needs to be recalibrated, which might be tricky for some people. And yeah, hope you enjoyed it. Until the next one, enjoy your weekend.